So once we start the flight, the drone takes off by itself on our command.
Add roof inspections to the list of things changed by technology.
We closely monitor the drone while it's over your house, but it flies by itself and does all the close-ups and lands right back in the spot after about 9 minutes all by itself.
That's all it takes this drone to map every single shingle. AI helps it find every problem spot.
The drone, in conjunction with the software, has AI, or artificial intelligence. It detects the imperfections in the roofing surface, and it'll circle certain things like nail pops, missing shingle, torn shingle, or even excess granule loss or hail damage.
Every flight makes this drone even smarter.
We either confirm or recategorize what it's circling or what that imperfection is. And as we continue to do that, its accuracy gets more and more accurate as the time goes on.
This drone has one more trick up its sleeve.
The other thing I like about this software is it's basically a third party that's giving this information to the homeowner and to us, the roofer, so that they can make a decision. So it's something else detecting the issues with your roof, and it's not just us or the roofing company that's doing it. So now the homeowner can see these items just like we're seeing them through this software and drone.
Software stitches thousands of drone images together to create a hyper-detailed view of your roof no manual inspection could match.
After the flight, we sit with the homeowner and go over this generated report. Now the homeowner can make an educated decision on how to proceed with their roof.
One small flight for a drone, one giant leap forward for roof inspections.
Whether it's simple maintenance items, maybe they should contact their insurance company because the drone found a bunch of damage. So we go over these items and help the homeowner make their best decision for their roof.
The result? More precise inspections and a better roof.
They see what we see from the safety of the ground without having to get on the roof.
For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.